Hey you guys, so first up, I wasn't planning on filming today. My hair is back like in this weird ponytail thing because I have to go out later today to a football scrimmage thing. It is stupid hot out. It's like 93, but the heat index is like 98, which is, with the humidity, is really bad here. So yeah, I'm like wearing as little clothing as humanly possible while still being covered. Like I said earlier, I wasn't planning on filming today, but I have my makeup done and I was going through the list of videos I want to film. And I'm like, you know what? I have a few minutes, so why don't I go ahead and film this now for you guys rather than waiting until tomorrow. So two things. One, you can see my angry shoulder is very, very angry today. That's why my shoulders go like halfway up my neck. My neck's actually longer than it looks just because my shoulders are constantly like inflamed. Well, my traps technically are constantly inflamed from always being taping on things. So I've been working on that a lot, really working on my posture, trying to stretch things out and just fix this because I've been dealing with this problem for like 3 years now and it really sucks. Reason why I sat down to film is because it's September and I haven't done my August foreplay box yet. So we're going to get into this thing before it's way too far into September, and then I have my September play box and I'm like, hey, here's 2 play boxes in one video because I have no time. Like, we haven't done that before. So here is the August Sephora play box, and here, of course, I just dropped on the floor. Here is the little poster thing you always get. It says Beauty Schooled, August 2018. And of course, you get your Sephora Play card, 50 extra Beauty Insider points with any purchase, in store only. Let me pick up the little bag off the floor. Here's what we have. It says Back to Beauty School. It's pink and yellow. This is very, very cute. I am curious if this is a Back to Beauty School bag, what we have in here, and how much of this might be stuff I already have, because I have a lot of makeup. So let's see. First thing, we get a packet. We all know how much I love packets, especially when we get packets instead of getting perfume samples. I love the perfume samples. Please give me all the perfume samples in the world. I will happily take them. Packets, not so much. And this is from Way. Their products are really, really good. I don't like the scent. I know some people love the scent of their products. To me, it smells like something Blanche from the Golden Girls would wear. I'm sorry, I just don't like the scent of these. So it's their volume shampoo and conditioner, I am guessing, in their traditional scent. I will probably throw this in my box of samples, the in case I run out of shampoo and don't feel like going to Target box, basically. Or I will see if anyone else in my family wants to try this. I like that it's a volume shampoo. That I would definitely try. I'm just not into the scent of their products. So let's see, what next? We have, I knew it. I knew there was going to be something I already had. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I actually have the Big Daddy one right here that I use every single day that I do my brows because I absolutely love it. I think it's a fantastic product. It's wonderful. I will definitely hang on to this for when I run out. Next up, we have another Makeup Forever lipstick. This is their Artist Rouge Cream in C211. I'm not sure what shade this is. Let's see, C211. It's a pinky mauve tone, which I have like 500 of these. Like every single lipstick that is possible to have in a pinky mauve tone, I have. Here is what it looks like. This is a very, very pretty color, and it goes on very nice and smooth. I do like that about their lipsticks. Just, I've got like 800 of these. I've noticed we do get a lip product in every single box. Don't get me wrong. I love lip products. I'm like the queen of lip products. Have you seen my lipstick decluttering video? I've bought more since then. Like, I have over 100 lipsticks. It's ridiculous. If we could get something other than lipsticks for like a month, 2 months, every other month, something, just Give me something different, guys. So, this is from Origins, and this is their Original Skin Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay. This is a full fluid ounce. I love getting face masks in my Sephora Play box because, one, the samples are always really, really big. You can usually get at least 2 to 3 applications. This, I can probably get 4 or 5 minimum, and it looks really, really good. It doesn't say what it does other than retexturizing. So I'm guessing it is slightly exfoliating, possibly. We'll see. I do want to smell this. The packaging's really pretty. Ooh, it smells like roses, and like real roses, not that fake rose scent. So I will definitely be throwing this in my bathroom and trying it out. And we have 2 more items. This video is going way faster than I thought it would. Okay. Ooh, okay. This is the Hoola by Benefit Bronzer. I have not tried this, which I know this is like a Holy Grail classic. Why haven't I tried it? Just because I haven't. Really cute packaging. Really, really cute packaging. It comes with its own little mini plastic case. This one's dusty, which is kind of icky, but here is the bronzer. It's a nice size pan, too. That's actually big enough to get the brush I typically use for contouring into, which is really nice. Let me go ahead. Oh, that's creamy. Ooh. Here's what it looks like. It's a really pretty shade. It almost looks like a cocoa powdery shade. It looks teensy bit orange maybe, but that's fine. I typically use combo contour bronzers. I never do like grayish contours. My face already being fairly sculpted with my cheekbones and stuff. I find that if I use a gray contour and really carve out my cheekbones, then I tend to look a little too gaunt. So I kind of combo everything. So that's really cool. And then last thing is Living Proof. I love getting hair products from Living Proof because their stuff is so good. This is the TBD Multitasking Styler Styling Cream. Apply to wet hair to blow out. Apply to dry hair to tame or deconstruct. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like really fresh and clean. Let me peek. I want to peek in this booklet because the directions and just stuff they put on the back of the samples can be a little vague. Okay, so this looks like this can be used for straight or wavy or curly hair, thus the multitasking, I'm guessing. So I will actually try this both ways. I will try this damp with my hair wavy, and then I'll try it dry with my hair straight and see how it does on my hair texture in different styles. So that's everything we got, you guys. That actually went really quick. I'm fairly pleased with this box. Probably my favorite thing would be this Origins mask. I'm really, really excited about trying this because I've noticed their products for me are either way hit or way miss. Like, I hated their ginseng eye cream, but I've liked some of their other stuff. So probably the thing I dislike the least, obviously. Dislike the least, dislike the most. I dislike this the most, yes. But everything we got was the Origins Original Skin Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay, the Living Proof TBD Multitasking Styler, the Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Lipstick in C211, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, the Hoola Benefit Bronzer, and the Way Hair Care samples. So all in all, I would say that this is kind of a medium range box. It's not my favorite box we've ever had, but it's not my least favorite. And I really hope that all the noise outside wasn't too distracting. Thank you guys, if it is, for still hanging in there and getting to this point in the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also keep up with me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat, and all the links for those are down below. If you have any questions, comments, or just want to say hi, go ahead and do that down in the comments below too, and I will get back with you guys as quick as I possibly can. can. And just in case you didn't know, I post every Wednesday and Friday, and if you want to be notified when I post a new video, you can click the little notification bell down next to the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Hopefully without all the heavy equipment in the background. Bye.